Good afternoon, everyone. This is Mehdi from SolarEx in Berkeley, California. Today I'm going to show you a real piece of history. The machine that you see here is a ball mill machine, which was used for grinding and breaking the pigments to make sure they are fine enough to be dispensed in the coatings. But thanks to technology, we are receiving fine pigments from the vendors, and that's why this mill machine is retired for about 20 years. And you see that how dirty and dusty is because we don't use it at all. And they call it a ball machine because it has a real ball in this cylindrical drum, and when it rotates with the pigments inside it, the ball attacks them and break them to make them smaller. And after, I don't know, but maybe some hours, you will have finer pigments. And it shows us actually the way that we've come to get to this quality of material that is being produced and manufactured in this facility. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye. Your order is here, ready to ship. Catch it.